Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we have a really huge announcement to make. We are going to start offering maintenance packages for our interior, exterior detail customers. We're going to have 3 different plans. It's very simple. We're going to offer huge savings for our maintenance clients who want their vehicles done on a regular basis. The savings are going to be huge. So let's start off with the Bahama Mama. Let's start off with the best maintenance package that we're going to have. We're going to offer 50% off 5-week maintenance packages. That's a huge savings. If you're someone that wants their vehicle clean all the time and you're very busy and you don't have the time to do it, this is absolutely the package for you. The daily driver, with kids and all that stuff, this package is for you. That's the 5-week interval package. You save 50%. That is the diamond level. The platinum level is 40% off, and it's bi-monthly. It's every other month, so every 8 weeks or so. Okay? So every 8 weeks you're going to save 40% off your detailing package, okay? And lastly is the quarterly package, or you're going to save 30% off. If you don't drive your vehicle that much, or maybe, you don't need it cleaned every 5 weeks or every 8 weeks, this package is for you. The savings are going to be huge. You're not going to see this online, not yet. We're going to get it up and running as of the posting of this video today. So you can go to our website under appointments. And all of our previous clients here in Texas can go ahead and book a maintenance package. And all the discounts and figures will be in there. And to the folks that will be our new customers, please make sure you go to the other section to book your appointment, as this is for our loyal returning customers who've gotten a detail from us within the last 3 months. We're not going to make this that you have to get another detail again to be able to get on the maintenance package. If you've been a customer of us for the last 90 days or so, and if you're just on the fringe of that, let's say it was 100 days ago, you're more than welcome to book. We're not going to hold a new plan in a week and a half or so against you. We're not that type of business. If you have any questions about the plan, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. Call or text the office here at 945-249-5429. We got some other exciting news and deals coming up in the future. Don't forget, as of right now as well, we have 25% off all of our detailing packages, and we have an unheard of 50% off all of our ceramic coating packages, except the WDCC package. That package only qualifies for the 25% off part, because there's no polishing involved with that coating. That's just a wash, decon, clay, and ceramic coat. It's our entry-level coating package. If you have any questions about the maintenance packages or detailing packages or truck accessories, if you're in the market for a truck bed cover, you're looking for a roll and lock, a Retrax, a Truxedo, X-Tang, any of the real truck hero brands we're an authorized dealer and installer for, please reach out to us for that. It's Monday. It's a beautiful day here in North Texas. This video will be posting tonight. I hope everybody has a great week. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. We will see everybody in the next video. See you all soon.